This is the QRPGuys Power Meter, SWR Meter, Dummy Load, 3-in-1 test gear extravaganza. This is one of my favorite pieces of test equipment. I thought I'd give you a quick overview of what it is. Two BNCs, you can see this one goes to the transmitter, this one goes to the antenna. The switch here switches between the dummy load or going through to the antenna. Choose whether you want RF power or SWR, power switch, quick check, and it'll measure SWR. I'm not sure what the higher limit of SWR, and it'll measure power up to about 10 watts. This is a kit. It was pretty easy to build. The hardest part probably was winding this binocular toroid. The instructions that they provide are good. It was not difficult if you follow the instructions carefully. The other thing to note is that these dummy load resistors need to be stood off the board a little. I just used a popsicle stick to hold them off and solder them on, and it worked wonderfully. So this is the Michigan Mighty Mite transmitter. Show you what the power output looks like. So I have it set to measure power to the dummy load. Turn it on, give it a moment to turn on, then push key down. So it's got about 200 milliwatts. Now it's hooked up to my KX3 in the 20 meter band. The KX3 is set to 5 watts. Hold key down, and this is measuring about 5.1 watts. Key now is set for 10 watts in the 20 meter band. And it's reading slightly low, so it's pretty accurate. And I'll show you, I hooked it up to my outdoor antenna. It's a end-fed random wire. Turn it on in SWR mode. Read 0, this is the 20 meter band. 30 meter, and the SWR is pretty close. And try 40 meters, and the SWR jumps way up. So it will measure a pretty high SWR. And last, just show you the quick check. It's back on 20 meters, about 1 watt. Hold quick check, turns itself on, then I key down, and I can measure the power. And as soon as I let go, it shuts back off, so it's an easy way to save some battery.